Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Gambling Gardeners. I'm Rana, and I'm here with Rana's quick tip, how to know when your garlic is ready to harvest. So come on, let's go check it out. All right, here's our onion garlic bed. These onions we planted from seed, and over here is the garlic section. We're almost down to the last 3-4 bulbs, and we planted this in November of last year. A garlic from bulb, once you plant it, takes about 9 to 10 months before it's ready to harvest. And the way you can tell that it's ready, we'll take this one for example, is we've got 1, 2, 3 leaves, the 3 leaves on the very bottom. As soon as they are brown and limp looking, this is ready to harvest. So let's pull it out of the ground. All right. All right, there you go. Perfect garlic bulb that's ready to be cured. Now you can eat it as it is. You can cook it and eat it as you normally would. However, if you cure it about 2 to 3 weeks in a dry, cool, dry space in your home for about 2 weeks, then it will keep much longer than if you just take this and put it directly in your pantry. You can either bundle garlic together and hang them upside down, say from a rack, or you can lay them flat, which is how we have our garlic cooling space set up in the garage on a flat open rack with a fan blowing on it. All right, so that's Rana's quick tip for today, how to know when your garlic is ready to harvest. I hope you have a great day and come grow with us.